Today I'm going to give you a short video on how to roll up the windows of your Jeep JK or JKU doors without them even being on the Jeep. Let's get this thing started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Tool that you're going to need is I use this old battery charger, and I ran pigtails or alligator clips or whatever you want to call it from each one of these to the actual plug. It's pretty easy. Okay, the left front window for the up and down, the color of the wire is orange with a light green stripe. If you have the express windows, it's orange with a light blue stripe. As far as the right front window, orange and tan, and then orange and gray for the two different wires. And then if you have the express, it's blue with an orange stripe and light green with an orange stripe. Also the rear left, orange with white stripe and orange with a gray stripe. Then the right rear is orange with a light blue stripe and orange with a dark blue stripe. Now the two front windows, you can tell real easily because they have a brass electrodes in there. So those are easy to figure out. All right, first you find your door plug. And then for the driver's side front, which is going to be your left side, it's going to be orange and light green. And I found the wires right up here. It's going to be towards the end. It's going to be the two copper ones. And then what you do, very carefully, you take your wires and try to move this up for you so you can see the window. And you put it in the those two connectors. Now you can hear it right now. And that must mean that I've got it backwards. So I turn it around. There goes your window. Done. Reverse it. Window comes down. All right, going to do the same thing for the back window. Once you find your power source for your windows, which are these two wires right here, then you follow them up. And these first two inlets right here, these female connectors right here, are going to be where you're going to put it. If you don't get it right the first time, switch them, because one is up and one is down. Down. Up. All right, windows are up. No more dust and crap getting inside of the Jeep, at least from this side. And didn't know that the windows were tinted. Well, there's one thing I don't have to buy later. I want to thank everybody for subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. We're going to be doing a lot more work on this Jeep really soon. I'm really having the Jeep bug. It's getting warm outside, and I'm missing it a lot. So I'm going to get this thing running. And I appreciate everybody. And there's going to be a lot more videos on this Jeep. Appreciate it. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. I want to give a special shout out to Scott Blum on the JK Gear and Gadgets page. He helped me out. He actually gave me the idea. I had the one power wire thing figured out. Didn't have the second power wire figured out. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much, Scott Blum. I wanted to give a special shout out to Lost Signal. They are the first decal on my Jeep hood. I want to appreciate them for sponsoring Roadhouse. Thank you. You ought to really try their smoked pecan porter. This stuff is excellent. You can get it in Springfield at their barbecue place, and you ought to really try their barbecue. This stuff's really great. So here's Lost Signal. Lost Signal, found beer. Great stuff.